Good morning, class. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Today our subject is maths and I am your teacher of maths. Open your book of maths, my book of numbers and shapes. First of all, we will revise 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. 1. 1 elephant. 1 elephant. 2. 2 flowers. 2 flowers. 3 ants. 3 ants. Today our digit is 4. 4. First of all, we will write date and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monkeys. How many monkeys? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monkeys. 4 monkeys. And write the 4. Our next digit is 5. 5. Write date and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 butterflies. How many butterflies? 5. 5 butterflies. Trace the 5. Straight and then round. Very good.